There was a time when people would compare me to my elder sister, who according to them was prettier and fairer. Even though we were always as thick as thieves, as a kid, it bothered me. I couldn't understand how someone considered less pretty conventionally could be seen as less significant. It took me my fair share of time and growing up to understand this. People intentionally or unintentionally can make you feel less about yourself. But it is your perspective of yourself that truly makes or breaks you. Comparison often pushes one into a never-ending competition with those around them. However, we need to understand that this is an unhealthy state. It can make one socially conscious, inward focused, and relentless, which eventually delays or hinders personal growth. What we can do instead is strive to be a better version of ourselves. It's not always easy to break the pattern of external comparison and shift towards introspecting for self-betterment, but it is absolutely possible. Here's how I do it. I fuel the fearless dreamer within me and starve the timid, self-conscious side that constantly seeks external competition. I let my dreamer self navigate all the self-growth challenges while silencing the doubtful version of me, because I know that doubt is rooted in constant comparison and external validation. So my advice to all of you is this. Every day when you wake up, let your timid version know that you are going to win and become at least 1% better than your previous self. Take care. Bye-bye.